Hi, my name is Tai Nguyen, the Chief Scientific Officer at MightyDNA.com. I'd like to start off this 3-minute and 45-second product educational video to ask you 3 questions regarding genetic traits, genetic variants, and addiction. The first question: are you genetically prone to excessive drinking? In this case, the need to drink heavily in one day, or in some cases, the course of 7 days. The second question: do you have the genetic variants to make you become susceptible to cannabis dependency? In this case, the need to use marijuana on a daily basis just to feel normal. And the last question: are you at high risk of being nicotine dependent due to your genetic variant? At MightyDNA.com, our in-house team of Ph.D. bioinformaticists and geneticists have developed a propriety-based genetic DNA test that systematically compares your 23 pair of chromosomes to that of the U.S. National Library of Medicine database for genetic and genomic studies. More specifically, MightyDNA test for addiction focuses on 3 genetic traits found within your 23 pair of chromosomes that are strongly associated with addiction. The first gene of interest that we test for is the GABRA2 gene found on chromosome 4 that's associated with alcohol dependency. The second gene of interest is the CNR1 gene found on chromosome 6 that is linked to cannabis dependency. And the last gene of interest that we test for is the CHRNA4 gene found on chromosome 20 that's associated with nicotine dependency. So when you receive your MightyDNA test report in your email inbox, know that out of 3 billion base pairs found within your 23 pair of chromosomes, 5 million of those base pairs are unique to you. Thus, the actionable tips and the genetic insights found in your personalized MightyDNA report are geared toward you and no one else. Now, in regards to DNA security and privacy, our non-CLIA diagnostic lab uses industry standard security protocol in storing your DNA sample, your DNA test results, and your personal data. We do not share nor do we publish your DNA data with any third party. Now, in regards to DNA test kit, our test kit is a swab and send kit. So there's no need for a saliva collection tube, or in this case, needles for blood extraction in using our DNA test kit. If you have any other further questions regarding DNA testing, contact us at info@MightyDNA.com. And when you're ready to order a DNA test kit, click on the link at the end of this video. Thank you.